The history of the land, known as Palestine from 1917 to 1949, is a journey marked by international declarations, waves of migration, political ambitions, and deepening divisions. In 1917, the Balfour Declaration signaled a dramatic shift in British policy, stating support for establishing a national home for the Jewish people in Palestine, while also pledging to safeguard the civil and religious rights of its non-Jewish communities. At the time, Palestine was home to an ethnically and religiously diverse population, and the British government sought a delicate balance between competing national aspirations. By the time the British Mandate was formalized after World War I, Jewish immigration to the area increased. In 1922, records show a Jewish population of around 80,000, with numbers swelling over the years as tens of thousands, fleeing persecution and seeking a homeland, made their way to Palestine. By 1939, the Jewish community had grown to nearly a third of the country's population, as tensions began to rise between Jewish and Arab inhabitants, fueled in part by British policy shifts and white papers that attempted to limit further Jewish immigration. Global attention focused on Palestine after World War II, as the plight of Jewish refugees and the demand for an independent Jewish state gained urgency. The United Nations, in 1947, proposed the partition of Palestine into separate Jewish and Arab states, allocating over half the territory to the Jewish state despite significant Arab opposition. The resolution passed, but violence erupted almost immediately. With the end of the British Mandate, Israel declared independence on May 14, 1948, triggering the Arab-Israeli War. By 1949, Armistice Agreements established new ceasefire lines, leaving Israel with about 78% of the land formally under the Mandate. The agreements were meant as temporary measures, not final borders, yet they became the lines shaping the next chapter in the region's contested history.